Good morning, good evening, good night, and good afternoon. Welcome to my channel, Crypto Crex. My name is Wiki. Every day on this channel, I give you all the news, updates, and analysis in the crypto world. We go through every single data and we make it into a simplified version so that you can understand and invest comfortably in crypto. This video I wanted to make about again about crypto capture, where we capture all whatever is going on in the crypto world. This, first of all, I was away for the weekend because anybody who is living in Asia, there was this weekend was a bank holiday weekend in Europe and America, so that's why you would have expected a longer weekend period. And especially, as you can see right now, this weekend manipulation of the market is becoming a norm. Every weekend we get a dump, and then every week we get a pump. The reason behind, I wanted to explain you today as well. I found a few of my research pointing towards the same direction, that the reason we are having weekend pump dumps is because whales have easy chances to manipulate the market during the weekend, because first of all, institutional money is not there to counter any move so easily. For example, whales can move their billions and actually have a good price decrease or an increase, whatever direction they want to take it to, and they would not have the institutional money to counter that decision. And again, a lot of people who are like retail investors, like the public and small investors, they are also not fully switched on during the weekend. They are with their families, working, enjoying, relaxing, and whereas during the weekdays people are more usually in their work mode, and especially part-time traders as well. They also invest into stocks, trades, forex, and the same people invest into crypto as well. So those are the people who also do comebacks on the weekdays. So it's easy to manipulate the market during the weekend. Governments are shut down, everything is shut down, banks are shut down, so less big money out there to counter any kind of change, whether you are manipulating the Bitcoin price, whether you're manipulating the Ethereum price, or any other small or big crypto price. It's easy to do over the weekend, simple, period. So this is mainly the reason, which has been, you can see, since the drop of Bitcoin happening, the weekend has been the biggest pump. And again, as you can see, tomorrow the markets are reopening. It's Tuesday and the markets are already up, and they are not up in the sense that they are up, they are just recovering, and they are trying to recover the last week's dumps and the previous weeks, but we are still in dark waters. I've been saying that in my previous videos, and I will say that again, we are still in dark waters. We need to still come out of the main bearish scenario of Bitcoin, which I will be comfortable once Bitcoin price goes above $42,000 to $45,000. Right now we are seeing a lot of manipulation. We are seeing a good comeback. We are seeing resistance of Bitcoin within the 30k zone as well, so which is all pointing towards the good direction. However, there is some indicators which I'm waiting for still to come through, but there has been a huge good news today, because finally we have a daily chart which is up on Bitcoin now, which I will just take you through right now. So before I go into charts, or before we go into the screen as well, I just want to first of all say thank you for all your support so far, whoever has been watching my videos continuously. I would like to request you to share my videos to your friends and family so that they can understand what's going on, whoever is into crypto, or if they are not into crypto, let them get into crypto, because this is here to stay. Crypto is the new future money, and you would like your loved ones and friends to be involved in this as well. Secondly, please like, subscribe and share, and please also get yourself involved into comments. If you don't have a YouTube account, get yourself a YouTube account. This is again, it's one of those things, get in there before it's too late. Same like exchanges, we know a lot of people are like still making their account. I'm saying make your accounts on exchanges as much as you can, because in the future you won't be able to get exchange accounts easily. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, share it on your social media so that you can share the love. This is the best you can do. I make these videos so that you can be benefiting from that, and at the same time, please comment as well, so that any questions you have, you can put it on the comments so I can come back to you. And watch the video till the end, because I always make sure there is something always at the end, so that I can summarize exactly what to do next as your steps and whether you take those steps or not, that's up to you, because everybody have their customized investment plan. But what I give you a general idea so that you can do the best with your money and make the best profits out there as well, without taking too many risks, minimizing the risk and maximizing your profits. So before we waste any more time, let's get into the screen.
So guys, here we are on coin market cap. Let's see what's going on in the market. 1.6 trillion. So slowly we are seeing the money coming back into the cryptocurrency. This number was 2+ trillion just nearly, I would say, 3 weeks ago. And right now we nearly went down to nearly a trillion, and now slowly we are picking back up again. Bitcoin is again nearly, well, in fact, it's double the size of Ethereum, which is quite a good news, because Ethereum and Bitcoin is actually catching on the gap. However, as you can still see that Bitcoin was nearly over a trillion, and now it's fallen back 40% nearly. Right now, I would say about 30% from where it was in the glory days just a few weeks ago. And this volume is the main one. You can then, this is exactly what I was saying earlier as well about whales manipulating the market during the weekend, is because whenever whales are manipulating, this is such a small volume. So 24 hours, only nearly 119 or 120 billion, which is an easy number. Even if like 10 people with 10 billion can come together and start declining the market if they can during the weekend, and there will be no big money there to conduct. And guys, when you check this money tomorrow, I can assure you that tomorrow this number will be way more higher, because of the institutional money coming into the cryptocurrency market, because it's going to be a normal weekday. Again, Bitcoin 42% and Ethereum 18.8. This has been the case for quite a while. And again, today the gas fees looks quite low as well. And yeah, I've seen this number much more higher previously, and it's looking at a reasonable price. And again, I think Ethereum again is having a new fork update coming in next month, and at the same time the gas fees are coming low as well, because of the stock model which they are using, rather than keep on producing more coins. And at the same time, the new upgrade also, I told you, if you have seen my Ethereum videos which I've been presenting previously, if you haven't, please go and have a look. But it shows clearly as well on why the gas fees are coming down. So please, if you haven't, watch it so that you can be fully updated, and it's quite informative news as well. So please do watch those videos. At the same time, have a look. Let's say Bitcoin again recovering. As you can see, if I see here, this is the level we are trying to get to. It is still trying to recover the last week losses, which has come down here. So this is where we are trying to get to within this week, and hopefully once we get to these levels, we can start going up from there, and it will be another run towards the bull market. Ethereum, however, is showing good sign of recovery for the weekly basis, 2,600, nearly looking to at least cross about 2,900 to $3,000 mark within this week in order for us to have a good recovery on Ethereum. However, both numbers, weekly and daily, are looking nice. USDT, obvious reasons. Good to see this down, because the more this is down, that means more money is being pumped into Bitcoin and altcoins. Cardano is having a shebang week, shebang day. I've got a video coming out on just Cardano very soon, so keep an eye on that as well. BNB has been another one which has been pumping again and again, and obviously I have just put a video on XRP just 3 days ago. So if you guys would have watched that video, you would have been enjoying these daily benefits, which I already indicated. My chart already indicated again 100% success rate on exactly predicting where the XRP is going, and the journey for XRP is not over yet. So keep an eye on XRP as well. Hold your XRPs, buy some more XRP, I would say, and it will definitely give you benefit in the long run as well. So this is where we are. Let's see the 24 hours gainers. Aave has been on my top 5 2021 altcoin video, which I took out about nearly 2 months ago. So if you have watched that and bought Aave along with the other 4 coins, you would have been smiling in profits if you have watched that video. That's why, guys, watch the videos as soon as I launch it, and that's why please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button so that anytime the video is out, you are one of the first ones to watch it. Speed is key in crypto or any market, anywhere you are, or any business you're doing, any job you're doing, especially in crypto and stocks. Speed is the most essential thing. A lot of things can happen within an hour, minutes, and a day. So if you watch the video or any news as soon as possible, that's where you will be making the mess. You will basically be eliminating the maximum risk, and you will be ahead of the game. And if you're profiting, you will be maximizing your profiting. If there's any chance to lose, you will be minimizing your losing chances. So you have to watch it. That's why, guys, subscribe, and again, keep it on your notification so that you know exactly what's going on. Data is again a good one. I mean, up Chainlink has been one of my key. I believe Chainlink will easily go to $100 if we are continuing to see the Bitcoin bullish momentum. And as soon as Bitcoin go above 45,000, I would be in a much more confident situation to say we are in a bull run. Part two, I still believe we are in bull run part two, but I just don't wanna. I'm a numbers person, so as soon as I get the numbers, I will give you a guarantee. Right now, I'm giving you hope rather than guarantee. WeChain, again, WeChain is one of my top coins which I've been holding. It's one of my top coins in the portfolio, and it's a must-have coin. I say it to anyone who knows me and been following me. So WeChain, Chainlink, Aave, Compound, and a few others has been also been involved in my portfolio, which I recommend to all my wiki crew who are in my private WhatsApp group. And soon we're gonna be launching everything on the socials. Our Facebook page is already out, up and running. It's still early doors, but yeah, please check out our Facebook page and like and share and subscribe on the page as well, which is also called Crex. So yeah, this is the market. XRP again, quite a big one in the top 10 to be growing today. So guys, let's get into the charts. So where we are, this is my chart, which I use. So as you can see, this where we are right now, we are at 36, nearly $37,000. Now I have two wedges which I have drawn. So I've got this wedge, which is a recent wedge, and I've got this wedge. And as you can see, let me just quickly see if I can just brush things in. So you can see this is playing a very same scenario within this wedge. Now, normally, whenever we have any sort of this wedge transforming, we would always have a bullish scenario, or sorry, a bearish scenario that the Bitcoin price can go down here after it hits this wedge, or it can go up. Now, if it goes up, we are easily looking for it to hit this resistance line, which is about $50,000, as you can see here. And then this is our all-time high, which is about $65,000 to $64,000, which is the all-time high of Bitcoin which I've hit. And if we go in the bullish scenario, then we are expecting, if Bitcoin, let's say, still goes in the bearish scenario, then we are expecting a 10k or a 9k Bitcoin as well if we are in the bear market. But guys, we are not in the bear market yet. We are still in the bullish scenario. There is every single fundamental and technical and indication which is pointing towards the bullish scenario. So yes, we are still, and I will show you, if you stick to the video all the way till the end, I will show you exactly why I'm saying that and where we are heading in the very short and the long run. And this is a short-term scenario. This is a long-term scenario. Again, you can see this wedge as well, which is transforming, and this wedge is a huge indicator because, as you can see, as I said, normally wedges, whenever they are forming, it always have a drop and then it will become back into the V incline, and then the W shape will start forming, or a head and shoulder shape will start forming, which is a good sign that it will go up. And as you see on this wedge as well, which is this wedge where everything is performing, now the Bitcoin already fall behind this wedge and now it's going back up again. If it starts creating another wedge from this side, then we are easily pointing, and you can see we are easily going towards the $70,000 Bitcoin if we cross this line. So I'm just waiting for it to cross this line, and at the same time I've got my other line which is drawn here, which I'm looking to cross. Now before I go away from these charts as well, I'll quickly put my charts here, and again, every time I put my charts, it's just mayhem. Ooh, okay, okay. I will take you through one of the times what I do with these charts as well. But as you can see, finally we have had a green dot on a daily chart for Bitcoin, which is a huge news that we are seeing a green dot. That's why this indicator I'm telling you is not going towards the downward. It is pointing towards the upward direction because of this exact green dot, as you can see, which have formed here. And if I will just go full screen, as you can see, this is the green dot, exactly what I've been talking about. So yeah, guys, we are looking into bullish scenario right now, and if we move further on, I just wanted to quickly show you as well. Uh, this is an indicating chart of psychology. So what is the psychology behind investors whenever the market are in the bull market trend or the bearish? Right now, I would say we are here. We are neither in bear market, we are neither in bull market. We are in the denial, fear, panic, and capitalization mode where people are having all sort of psychologies and theories, and a lot of YouTubers out there, a lot of people who are out there on Twitter, Facebook, social media, they are just giving you a lot of things which you just want to hear. Where on this channel we always make sure we keep things as truthful as possible, as non-biased and as clear, so that we are not giving you any false hope. We will tell you when the market is up, we will tell you when the market is down. That's why if I say to you guys the market is still ready to hold, please hold it. And just to give you a quick another scenario as well, anybody who holds Bitcoin, there was a study as well done just a few weeks ago or days ago, that anybody who holds Bitcoin will be in profit if they hold it for over 4 years. Over 4 years, anybody who have hold Bitcoin for 4 years has made gigantic profits. So, and anybody who is new into the cryptocurrency market, please start doing your countdown, and you will see that you will not end up in losses, but you will end up in profit if you hold for 4 years. This is a study done by a guy. I can't remember where I saw that study as well, but I will give you, I will find out the link and I will share the link with you in my future videos so that you can have a look as well. But yeah, it was an interesting study, and it was a very cool, solid study that anybody who have hold for Bitcoin for 4 years have been in profit. Not just Bitcoin, any cryptocurrency, if they have been holding for 4 years, except the meme coins or except any coins which can go up and down anytime, they have been in profits. So this is the one. Again, I wanted to also show you anybody who is thinking that we are out of the bull market or we are going towards the bear market. So this is an interesting cycle as well, interesting chart. This is our first bull run in 2013. As you can see, the uptrend is going, the market was playing in this trend, in this direction, and then this is the parallel line where the market has stayed in the long run, and you can see it's been going up and up in the long run as well. This was the last bull run in 2017 where the market was playing around up to where this was the peak, and then it fall down. And according to these peaks as well, this should be where the peak should be here. This is where we were in Feb, and this is 2020. So right at just before 2020, right at the end here, which I've been predicting that, guys, September, October is the crucial time when we will start entering into the bear market if nothing goes wrong and if everything is according to the technicals and the charts and the historical data. So we are still, I would say, again, this is a huge pump and a huge hope that we are still have a long way to go to hit this mark before we go back again into the bear market. And we again goes back to the same theory that Bitcoin to hit 100K is looking very, very possible for this year and still in this year. And again, this is another chart as well I took out so that I can give you some hope. So we were going up and up and up, and then we have fallen down here. This is a medium-sized, medium-term chart. But if you go on here, if you can see here, it says short-term is looking negative. Medium term is looking weak negative, which is a slight negative here, but you can see the long term is saying hold, hold, and hold. So the long term portfolio is to hold. Yes, there will be short term and medium term decisions and panic, but anybody who have set their goals and targets in the long run, which I've been teaching you guys, because if you are following me, my teachings are all about long term hold And I'm not talking about years and years, but I'm talking about a year, 2 years, and 3 years, and maximum 4 years for certain coins.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please keep your Bitcoin in your pockets. No need to sell. Keep it in your pocket. We are going up. And again, have a long-term mindset. Don't think in the short term. Don't let the FUD, any news from social media, friends, family, or anywhere you see any negative news, don't let it go past through to you. Don't let it hit you. Let it bounce back. So keep your guns high, keep your Bitcoins in your pocket. I will be giving you another video very soon, which I believe this is a golden chance to buy a lot of coins, which you probably was thinking that it's too late. Whoever was entering in the Bitcoin market or the cryptocurrency market, I was even telling people, that it might be too late for a lot of people to enter, but this little dip which we have seen in the last 2 weeks have created new doors for you to stock up on altcoins which you have already bought. If you have been you are following my suggestions, if you have bought those, stock more. Anybody who is new to crypto right now, please stock up on the portfolio which I've been sharing. I will do a special video tomorrow so that I can go give you on the video on what coins you should have in your portfolio. At the same time, I'll give you a video on top 5 or 6 coins which I think right now you should pump into your portfolio further so that you can maximize your profits, because take this time as time to buy and buy. So don't take this time as to sell and sell. This is the buying time. Buy and hold in order to make money. Assets makes you money, and people who have the power to buy at the right time, hold at the right time. And anybody who knows and in researching in crypto that all the institution, all the whales are buying at the moment. So just follow the rich. You will end up being rich yourself. Thank you so much. Thank you for the love. I love you all, and keep watching, and see you soon in the next episode of Crypto Capture.